A Mandarin-speaking customer has entered the office of an investment broker to inquire about investment options.
The dialogue begins now.
Hello. Thank you for coming in today.
你好，非常感谢你这么短时间就过来见我。我过来是想聊一聊投资的事情。首先，我想知道自住房需要付资产增值税吗？
No problem, and thank you for visiting us today. Could you please share what investment plans you have in mind?
那就好。我打算买些投资房。我听说买公寓的楼花是不用付印花税的，对吧？
Yes. You might qualify for a first homeowner grant since this is your first home purchase. Once your property is settled, you can enlist the services of real estate agents to manage it for you. They will provide you with a fixed return on investment.
那么，投资回报一般是多少呢？够我还房贷吗？
It should be enough. The return on investment ranges from 4% to 6%. The advantageous aspect is that the depreciation of your property you purchase can be utilized to offset taxes. This strategy is commonly referred to as negative gearing.
那太好了。我也在担心交税的问题和每个季度要填的商业活动报表，真是复杂呀。
You're correct. According to the Australian Taxation Office, if a business's turnover exceeds $76,000, it is recommended to register for goods and services tax and submit business activity statements every 3 months.
我记住了。如果净收入10万以上的话，成立家庭信托账户比较有用，对吧？
Absolutely. Your ABN can be utilized for these purposes as well. However, if you intend to establish a formal company, you'll need to apply for an Australian company number.
好的，我想这些我都明白。商会的人建议我可以考虑买农场、屠宰场或葡萄酒厂，你觉得我该选哪一个？
I agree. A winery could indeed be a promising venture. The market for wine is experiencing exponential growth.
我也觉得葡萄酒厂是个更好的选择，智者所见略同啊。最后问一个问题，我可以出口动物内脏去中国吗？
Unfortunately, that's correct. As far as I know, offal can be exported to Hong Kong, but not to mainland China. This might be due to the absence of a free trade agreement between Australia and China.
真希望这个 FTA 可以早点签好，我们做生意就方便多了。
End of dialogue.